you didn't already know, I'm a different breed. In my own lane and I'm in a different league. When they hear me spit, they don't dread about the killing of the beat, cause I'm built so differently. Rappers been an A game when they spit with me. Better tell me no single bit of quit in me. I've been switching gears, hitting different speeds. I don't really bark, you'll get bit with me. Yo, what is up, you guys? We're here for Chainsaw Man. Last episode, what was the last one we watched?
Aki had to make a deal that
oh yeah,
we found out he only has 2 years to live.
He went down to that.
Power and Denji are training with Himeno's her mentor or something, her teacher.
Oh yeah, the dude who voices Nanami and Overhaul and Joker. And Aki's down in some basement where they keep a bunch of devils that he's gonna make a new deal with. So we're gonna go see what Aki's new contract's about, what the contract entails, what's required of him, all that stuff, and I guess what powers or he gets from it, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, should be a good episode. Can't wait to watch it. We're gonna jump right in. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and let's check it out. Ring, ring, ring. The future Devin. He has to give up half his lifespan.
He has a year.
He has a year. Might as well.
He's lost everything.
Just go full clip trying to find the gun devil.
Gee, that's all we saw. The last episode. Ew!
Is that the thing in the intro?
I have no idea.
I think it is the one that's going like this. Sure, wait, when it dances, I think that's the one.
Pochita.
I was not expecting it.
See what else I got to lose. Chops his head off, dies.
I'm just kidding. You just gotta pull this car. And in exchange. Oh my god. Remember, he's not even using like his abilities, he's just strong. Never forgets his morals. You get a pass?
Yakuza? From the very beginning?
Yeah. Remember his granddad was the guy, the Yakuza guy? You're just being a dick, now you're like... Why does the gun devil need yen? You blow smoke in my face. Baka gaijin.
ここにいる皆さんの父や母、おばあちゃん、おじいちゃん、兄弟、姉妹、恋人、奥さんの目。安心してください。
Do it. Are we gonna see Aki's new contract devil ability?
作戦はない。得意用家はほとんどの隊員が人外で構成されている。
Who's this? A shark devil? That's cool.
Whoa.
Shark fiend. That's so cool. fear of sharks. That's cool. Oh, he's in the intro.
暴力の魔人本来魔人になると悪魔の時よりも弱くなるが雲の悪魔普段は人間のような形をしている人の姿に近い悪魔は人に
Ew.
悪魔は悪魔だ
That's so gross. Oh, her. Finally.
死の悪魔
What?
The angel
特殊
devil.
な悪魔で人に
Oxymoron.
が近づくな
That shark fiend is cool.
よく僕に近づけるね
Yeah, she must be like stupid strong.
Oh, she's cool.
She's. It's like that, like Gojo vibes. Just nonchalantly strong.
Yep.
Just. I'll kill you. I'm chilling.
Jalyn.
Oh, let's see the new ability. Where's Makima? It's like if you want your relatives and family members' eyeballs back, give me the names. Yo, Makima's savage. She's just waiting for you. Imagine she just Aki's about to talk, she just goes snake. Just eats Aki.
おとなしく投稿し
デビン
Oh, see?
吐き出し
What?
She can control the. She can control the things that her snake eats.
君の右目は少し先の未来が見えるよ
So the future devil just wants to see him die. So you can use me.
Is it rude?
Hey, do something. You better not. Okay, so the future devil is not what I expected. He's really like
Yeah, I know.
like in the intro. He's like, hey. So, what do you say? He's like Ryuk.
Yeah, he's just like, you do you. Use my stuff.
Yeah, like he.
Like Ryu, he's just there with light, and he's just letting him use his death note. This future devil is letting Aki be able to like see in the future. He's just like there just
And
to enjoy the ride.
He seemed super like I'm just happy to be here.
Yep.
He seemed super entertained. Like, bro, you have a gruesome death coming up. I want to see it. I want to be there, kind of thing.
Put your hand
like-
through my gut.
Like you can use my power. Just I want to be there when you die. That's so nuts. And then we met all these other fiends.
The angel devil.
That's like OP. I want to see her interact or go try interact with Makima or something. But I mean, but you know they're probably on the same. Obviously they're on the same side. So, but the shark fiend is
Oh,
cool.
that guy was cool.
The violence fiend, we've seen him in the intro with that bird mask looking thing. Looking like he's from Overhaul's. It looks like he's from Overhaul's crew. He's cool. Who else did we meet? The girl, the spider devil. That was gross.
Oh god.
But
I felt so hurt when I saw Himeno's ghost.
yeah, like you killed
I was like,
Himeno,
wow.
you ate her ghost devil, and then now you're using the ghost devil. Like wow. And so like obviously, so Aki's fighting the snake girl, and then he's obviously about to use his new ability next episode. So that means Katana Man somewhere else. He's probably gonna run into Denji then.
Yep, because Denji's there. Denji Empire.
So, oh, really good episode. That was cool. I like it. I can't wait to watch the next one. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. And don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe, check out my music, all the other content. Follow us on social media, links will be down below. And we'll see you guys for the next Chainsaw Man.